Hi everyone, I'm Captain Steve from MarineMax, Warwick, Rhode Island, here to introduce you to the new Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. The boat has a 33-foot overall length and a 10-foot 2-inch beam, and you'll see that in the next demonstration. Here in the back of the boat, you're going to notice that there's family seating for everybody. I know you're thinking fishing boat and family seating. Fact of the matter is 70% of Boston Whaler owners do not fish on the boat. They want a boat that's safe, comfortable, dry for the whole family to enjoy. I'd like you to follow me through. As we move forward here up the side, I want you to notice the width of the beam. You're going to notice that the beam of the boat, or the gunnels of the boat, widen out here as you pass the center console for comfort in passing by. There's no leaning, gives you great stability on your feet all the time. Coming forward here, we've got a very spacious head compartment. Here we like to store our dive ladder, our vacuum flush toilet, and a nice sink for extended stays on the water. Moving forward, we come around into the bow area. Continuing with our family comfort, you'll notice that the new Boston Whaler models, the Outrage, has widened up the bow seating area. It's no longer a pointy, congested area to sit down and relax. You can sit down up here with 3 or 4 friends, be very comfortable, enjoy a cocktail, and a nice sunset together. Now that I've spent a little bit of time talking about the family creature comforts aboard the boat that keep everybody happy, I want to talk about the guys that like to hit the water hard, bring the fish in and bring the fish home to the table. Let me show you a few features that help you accomplish that. Up here in the bow, under our very large sun lounge and relaxation area, we have a huge cavernous storage area. You'll notice a location to store your dive tanks, a spot to put multiple 7-foot fishing rods, purposely engineered to hold all of your gear, including your 5-gallon buckets and anything else that you like to store here down below, safe and dry with the dry rubber insulated seal. Moving backwards here, you're going to notice that there's grab rails all along the gunnels of this boat. Not only when you're fishing, but keeping family in the boat nice and safe and comfortable as well. If you follow me back here, you're going to notice the center console on this boat. The first thing you're going to notice is the glass on 3 sides, which is going to give you that dry pilot house protection on a very maneuverable center console boat. Here at the Helm station, I want to point out a few features that are going to give you some comfort, control, and great fishability of this fishing machine. Here we have a dual passenger helm seat with flip-up bolster. Articulating armrest across. Keep you comfortable and in the seats on those rougher days. Here we have a flip-down floor, okay? This is very nice when you want that extra height here when looking ahead or looking down in the choppy weather conditions. Notice the full protection of the glass here also, with optional extendable side curtains. To get more into the technical side of the boat, you'll see a nice display of rocker switches, not a confusing dashboard, right here in a row where you'd like them to be, easily to see and easily to access. On the 330 Outrage, this is equipped with a couple of simulator electronic units here. I want you to know you can put twin 16-inch Simrad units on this dashboard together and still have plenty of room for your active trim and stereo control. The Boston Whaler 330 is equipped with the digital throttle and shift, along with your skyhook feature and joystick. Makes it easy for anybody to maneuver at the dock, as well as the digital anchoring system, which can keep the boat in place under any conditions while you set up your lines and fenders to dock the boat. Moving further back here, as we're talking about this being a fishing machine, under here, you've got a large bait well. You'll notice the fit and finish inside of here. Easy to clean. That's important on a boat, especially when the wife's coming on the next day. Up here, you've got a nice entertainment area, whether it's with your family, serving picky food and drinks, or you want to fillet those fish on the ride home, you've got a nice spot to do that. Looking into our cockpit floor here, 2 large fish boxes on each side, both with built-in macerators to pump everything out so there's no odor or anything left on the boat. When it's time for some serious fishing, you'll take full advantage of the flip-up aft seat, the spacious cockpit of the 10-foot 2-inch beam. And under the floor here, here's accessory to all your live well pumps, your seacocks, your seawater pumps, place to store a couple extra bait buckets, your batteries, any of your mechanical serviceable items you'd like are right here under the floor. You'll notice a nice gel-coated finish down here, which makes it nice and easy to clean up, keep it odor-free, keep it clean, keep it manageable. And last but not least, one of the greatest features I think on this boat, and when we talk about the whalers being overbuilt and purposely engineered, I want you to take a look at these hinges right here. I know many boat manufacturers that won't use a hinge this size on an engine hatch cover, let alone a side diving door or a fish door. Nice wide opening. We've got a dive ladder stored in the helm that hooks up right here and hangs over the side for nice safe entry on and off the boat. Or when you get the bigger tuna or sailfish on board, easily pull it up into the boat here. Positive latch system, safety always in mind on the Boston Whaler. It was over 60 years ago that Dick Fisher decided to develop the first Boston Whaler. His mission statement then was to provide customers with the safest, highest quality, most durable boats in the world. Here we are 62 years later, he's still doing that for you today. Come visit us at MarineMax, Warwick, Rhode Island, so we can take care of you in your new Boston Whaler.